about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well today. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Today is going to be our lazy weekend, just kind of cleaning up, tidying up, cooking dinner, that kind of stuff. But we started our day off with a nice walk by the lake. We have this little lake in our subdivision that we love to go to, and right now it is so pretty. It was a very, very windy day, so my hair kind of looks like a nest. It's kind of crazy, but it was extremely windy, but I love all the fall colors. Like the trees are starting to change colors. It was just it was so nice. But after that, we ran to the grocery store real quick to pick up a few items for dinner tonight, because we're going to be making tacos and some, who doesn't love tacos? And we're just going to make some box, Mexican rice on the side. I didn't feel like doing that. So I'm going to show you a quick grocery haul. It's not a lot of stuff, but I also want to show you what we're going to be doing probably within the next weekend or so. But yeah, today's going to be just a kind of Sunday reset, tidying up, cleaning, picking up, cooking dinner, preparing lunches for the work week. So yeah, it's going to be just a nice homey video today. But let me walk over there right now and show you what we got. Okay, so this Thanksgiving, we're going to have probably about 15 people here, and we are going to be making a fried turkey and a ham. So last year we did a fried turkey, and we had a friend of ours come over and he did it for us because we've never done it. So this year we're going to do it, but we wanted to play around with the flavors and stuff like that. So within the next week or so, we're going to do a Thanksgiving dinner run, and we're going to be frying a turkey, and we're just going to pair it with some homemade stuffing and some sauteed green beans, just to see how the turkey comes out before we actually cook the real Thanksgiving turkey for Thanksgiving. So we're going to play around with the seasonings, the flavorings of the turkey. So let me show you what we got. Okay, here we got some stuffing, and for this stuff, our stuffing comes out it's so good, and I will probably do a video on the day before Thanksgiving, preparing for Thanksgiving, and I'll show you how we do this stuffing, but it is so good. So one bag is for our pre-Thanksgiving dinner, and the other 2 bags is for the actual Thanksgiving dinner. We got these what are they called? Tony Catcher's roasted garlic butter injectable. So we're gonna season our turkey with this. This is for tonight. We just got some rice-a-roni, guys. I know, it's just really inexpensive box stuff to pair with our tacos, but the star of the show will be the tacos. And some salsa. We got some avocado, some red onions, the tostadas, some lunch meat back there, bananas, some lettuce, and I love this queso fresco. It is so good on tacos. If you haven't tried it, go out there and buy yourself some. So good. I could even eat it by itself. Yeah, so that's just a quick little kind of hodgepodge of a mini grocery haul. And then over here, we have the star of the show for our pre-Thanksgiving dinner. And this is our turkey. So we try to find the smallest one because it's just going to be 4 or 5 of us when we eat this turkey. But this is the smallest one we could find. So we will be doing this dinner probably within 2 weeks. So I will definitely vlog that for you guys so you can see how we do our fried turkey. But yeah, I am excited to do that. So I cannot wait. I thrive on gatherings and hosting, and I love it. So we will be planning that out because we're going to have quite a few people here for Thanksgiving. So I will need to be putting all those dishes away. You see that back there? So I need to be doing that in a few, and then just kind of cleaning up the kitchen a little bit and getting some things done around the house. just now taking a quick little break. I have been cleaning all day, organizing, and just tidying up the home. That way, tomorrow when Monday comes, I feel I can breathe. The house is nice and clean. I still have a few little more things, not much to do, but then I'm going to cook dinner and then clean the kitchen one more time because I cannot stand dirty dishes in the sink before we go to bed. So I do want to pop my head outside because I wanted to show you. It is such a windy day. Look at all the leaves. It looks like fall. Fall has arrived, but I wanted to show you guys all the leaves outside because it's a windy day and it's just blowing the leaves everywhere. So let me show you. Look at that. Our whole back patio is covered with just leaves everywhere. But yeah, very windy day, and my hair, it just looks terrible today. And look at that weirdo back there. He's eating candy corn. Yes, you are. You said you said you were going to eat healthy.
No, I am. I'm eating your pumpkin seeds.
Let me see. Oh wow, he is eating the pumpkin seeds.
I'm sorry, babe. I love you so much.
I'm sorry, dear, but
No, don't but nothing.
I am going to get into the kitchen and I'm going to prepare dinner. We are having tostadas and I'm going to load them up with queso fresco, not guacamole, avocado, salsa, cheese, beans. Oh my God, it's going to be so good. So I'm always up for a good taco night. I absolutely love tacos. And if you don't like tacos, there's something wrong with you. Seriously, tacos are just, I can eat anything in taco form. Love me some tacos. But I'm going to finish tidying up the office and then I'm going to get in the kitchen and make some tacos. Dinner was a success. It was delicious. You can never go wrong with tacos, tostadas. I know I called them tacos earlier, but it was yummy. What do you think about dinner tonight?
It was yummy.
He's being a smart butt.
For reals.
Whatever.
Yummy.
See? He's being a smart butt.
Delicious.
But this morning we went for a nice walk and it just felt so refreshing to go out and have a nice walk. So we're gonna go ahead and end the day at the lake and go for another little walk over there and just kind of enjoy the scenery and, you know, walk for a little bit. But I am going to close out the vlog right now because I wanted to go ahead and close it out over there at the lake and take you guys with me. But it's pretty windy, so you won't probably be able to hear me clearly. So we're gonna close out the vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I cannot wait to do another video for you guys. And with the holidays coming up, Christmas, cannot wait for all the Christmas content. So again, thank you guys so much. And you guys have a wonderful Sunday.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.